Tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. I am. I just got back from a doctor's appointment, and blood pressure's a little high, so I want to concentrate on doing more plant-based meals, and I'll add, a little bit of protein, a little bit of animal protein, sparingly. So I just want to show, but I'll be doing mostly, meat-free soups and stuff like that this month. So I want to show you how I stock up my pantry to make sure that I have better options, or that I choose better options when I'm planning my meals. Okay, and maybe this can inspire you as well. Okay, now I love beans. I love black-eyed peas. If you gotta cook these things right. A lot of people say, "Ugh, I hate black-eyed peas," but if you don't cook them right or season them right, you won't like them. I'm already breaking a rule because since my blood pressure is high, my doctor was saying, you watch these canned goods and stuff. Even though you rinse them off, they're still pretty high in sodium. So read your labels. So I have dry black-eyed peas, and I have dry chickpeas. So I'll use them, but I like to keep these in my pantry for times when I just can't get to making some dry beans. Okay, so I have some chickpeas and I got black-eyed peas. And I like to have a variety of peppers. Got some green. I ran out of green, so I have some green ones and the other tricolor. I have some nice avocados here. I like avocados because they're good in my salad. And I like to keep some romaine. So I got 2 things of romaine because both hubby and I, he's eating more salads now too. When we first got married, he wasn't a big salad eater. Now he's eating. And I'm so proud to see that. And then got these cucumbers. Oh, these were organic. I wanted the 98-cent one. So I think these were 98 cents, but English cucumbers. I like to keep those on hand. Roma tomatoes. Okay, so I have salads. Do salads, and I can sprinkle some chickpeas on my salad, which I do a lot. And she was telling me, to watch the salad dressings. Even though I eat a lot of salads, I eat a lot of high sodium salad dressings. So I got these, and you just put water and vinegar, and then I can just put a little bit. I don't need to use this whole pack, which will make it a very high sodium dressing. So just enough to season it. Okay, and then I got 2 heads of cabbage. I love the cabbage is my foundation. Cabbage is my rice, my pasta. Rice and pasta raise my blood sugar too much. And so I can get a lot of fiber. These are cruciferous vegetables. So I can get a lot of fiber and vitamins from cabbage. And it makes me fuller, and it makes me feel like I had a nice meal. And these go on sale. They're going to be 49 cents a pound on Wednesday. So if I fill up to it, I might run back out there because these will go to use. And you can freeze it. Stick that there. Rinse my hands off. You guys ever get one of those? We got one of these like electronic garbage cans. And I knew when we got that, I said, I'm not going to be changing the batteries, so the batteries are out, so I need to do that. But I'm always wiping it down and disinfecting it. Okay, so I got some, she was recommending, I always have Italian dressing on stock, but I'm just going to make sure I keep Italian Italian dressing. That's a little bit better for prepared. Okay. Then I'm going to have a good sale on strawberries. So I get some fiber from my strawberries. These were on sale, so I got some grapes, which are high glycemic, but I eat a few at a time, and you can freeze them. And I can put them in a smoothie. I got some Caterer oranges. If I'm going to eat some sweets, I'd rather have some fiber in it, and that'll help. And some apples. I like to cut up apples and dip it in a little peanut butter. We went out of town because my husband's aunt passed away. He was taking care of her up until her death. I mean, she was in an assisted living, but he was in her advocate. And so, you know, she hung in there for a while, but you know, she lived a full life. So we went down to South Georgia for her funeral and to send her home. And so on the way, there's a lot of little country stores when you go down to South Georgia. So we stopped by the sausage company. They have a lot of jerky and stuff. So we got some nice pecans. So I can like have some berries and stuff and add a little fat and fiber to my meals with these pecans. They're fresh and they're delicious. And then it's nothing like those farmers around there. They make they can their own little sauces and stuff. So we got some mild chow chow. And then we have some chunky salsa. So, you know, I can use that on my cabbage and stuff like that. I'm going to do a meal prep. And then let me show you. Even in the wintertime, I do a lot of salads, but it's going to be a lot.